Aloha my friends, Kristina here, and I am so happy to be back in a new video with you today to share with you the best meal replacement smoothies for weight loss, health, wellness, and more. The smoothie recipes I'm going to be sharing with you today are complete meal replacements, packed with so many vitamins, minerals, and nutrients that your body needs to thrive. My intention today is to share with you some recipes that will completely satisfy you and nourish you. And these recipes will kick those cravings to the curb. Say adios, hasta luego, goodbye. Everybody wants to be able to eat as much as they want and still have a nice flat stomach and still feel their best, look their best, be toned and be in the best shape of their life. Am I right? These smoothies have helped me to get into the best shape of my life. I feel so good and so energized, and I want you to feel that way too. This is not about deprivation. This is not about calorie restriction. This is about health freedom. I think so many people come to the table with this diet mentality that you have to restrict in order to lose weight, or you have to eliminate certain enjoyable things from your lifestyle in order to get the results that you want. And I'm here today to show you that you absolutely do not have to do that. The smoothie recipes I'm gonna share with you today are delicious and so filling. These recipes are quick, easy, and delicious. They're perfect to bring with you on the go, and they're also perfect to drink or enjoy after a workout. No matter whether you are raw, vegan, or just getting started on your journey, these recipes are for you. They're for anyone at any point in their journey. So here's what you do. The basic guideline is to choose one meal out of your day and replace it with this smoothie. For me, this is basically my lunch every day, except for I do make a larger volume for myself. I'm gonna be showing you how to make a standard 32 ounces today that you can place in a jar, or if you don't wanna drink it, I'll also show you how you can convert it easily into a smoothie bowl and add toppings. For those of you who are just getting started on your journeys, this is a great way to help you transition. This is a great way to add one fully raw vegan meal into your day. And I recommend that you try doing this for breakfast or lunch, just because these recipes, these smoothie recipes, will give you so much energy. They're packed with so many nutrients and packed with a ton of plant-powered vegan protein as well that will help really energize you and just fill you up and get you through the day. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a dragon fruit banana snickerdoodle smoothie, a mango pineapple orange vanilla smoothie. One of my favorite classics is my chocolate cherry banana smoothie. And for the last smoothie, a simple banana, celery, and greens smoothie. When making smoothies, you need a good blender, and I am using my Vitamix blender to make this recipe. Vitamix is the best of the best, especially if you're making big smoothies like this. You need a big container. Sometimes my smoothies are 64 ounces, and you need something that will pulverize even the smallest seeds, like strawberry seeds or more. I use my Vitamix multiple times a day, not just for smoothies, but also for salad dressings, for soups, for dips, for sauces. The Vitamix is one of my ultimate kitchen appliances, if not the most useful one that I have in my kitchen right now. Not to mention, they now have a food processor attachment for the A3500 base, so you can remove the blender head and replace the food processor attachment on top and use the machine as a food processor as well. It's multifunctional. For those of you interested in getting a Vitamix blender, please check out the links below. I always share my most special deals with you. And if you use my special link below on any order of $50 or more, you'll receive free shipping. Go check them out. So let's dive into these smoothie recipes today and have a little bit of fun. Are you ready? Let's get started. We're gonna be making a banana dragon fruit snickerdoodle smoothie. It can be enjoyed as a smoothie or a smoothie bowl. You'll need approximately 5 ripe speckled bananas. You can use more or less according to what you desire. Go ahead and peel those and add those into your blender. Then you can either add 1 cup of fresh dragon fruit or pitaya, or you can use one of the frozen packets that you can find at a grocery store that are organic and sugar-free. 1 to 2 cups of fresh coconut water. And for this smoothie, you can choose between adding in 1 scoop of Sun Warrior's Snickerdoodle lean meal, which is a complete protein-packed meal replacement supplement, or you can use their vanilla collagen building protein peptides. I'm gonna choose to use the Snickerdoodle in this recipe first because I'm gonna be using the vanilla in another recipe. Once you've added all of your ingredients into your blender, then you simply blend it until it becomes completely smooth. And then in your glass jar of choice, go ahead and pour in your smoothie. How beautiful is this color? How fun is this color? This smoothie will help you feel energized and satisfied. This is also a great smoothie to bring with you anywhere you go because it's so beautiful. People will only compliment you on how beautiful your smoothie looks. If you would rather enjoy this smoothie as a smoothie bowl, you can do that too. Sometimes I like to enjoy my smoothies in a bowl, eating them with a spoon with my preferred toppings of choice. I typically like to add on some cacao nibs, fresh fruit or berries, raw granola. You can add any toppings that you choose that bring you joy. I hope you enjoy this smoothie recipe. It is one of my favorites. Next up, we are gonna be making a mango, pineapple, orange, vanilla creamsicle smoothie, and it is so good. For those of you who don't want bananas in your smoothies, this is a great option or alternative. When ready, go ahead and add into your blender approximately 2 cups of frozen or ripe mango peeled, 1 cup of fresh cut pineapple peeled, and 2 whole oranges. I'm using 2 peeled Caracara oranges from my trees, 1 scoop of Sun Warrior's vanilla collagen building protein peptides, and 1 to 2 cups of fresh coconut water based upon how thick or creamy you want this smoothie to be. Blend until this becomes completely smooth, and whenever ready, you can pour this into your glass jar of choice. This looks so refreshing. If you're looking for a smoothie that will hydrate you on a hot day, or if you're looking for a vitamin-packed smoothie that will give you an energy boost, this one is for you. It tastes like sunshine. I hope you enjoy it, my friends. We're gonna be making one of my all-time favorite meal replacement smoothies, and it is my chocolate cherry smoothie recipe. This recipe is so simple. There are only 4 ingredients in the smoothie. It's creamy, it's filling, it's sweet, it's chocolatey, and who doesn't love cherries in their smoothie? When ready, go ahead and add in approximately 5 to 8 ripe bananas peeled into your blender, 1 to 2 cups of fresh or frozen cherries pitted, 1 scoop of Sun Warrior's chocolate collagen building protein peptides, and if you want to add in some extra greens, you can always add in 1 scoop of their Super Ormus greens for extra added minerals, and 1 to 2 cups of coconut water. Blend this up until it becomes completely creamy and smooth, and then you're ready to pour and enjoy. When I don't have time to make anything else, this smoothie is my go-to. I love it so much. It's so easy, so fun, and so yummy to make. I hope you love this smoothie recipe as much as I do. This smoothie can be enjoyed in a jar or in a bowl with toppings as well. Always remember that you can take any smoothie you like and put it into a bowl with toppings and eat it with a spoon to make it into a different, crunchier, tastier experience for yourself. For my friends out there who have a difficult time drinking green smoothies, I have a special recipe for you today. We're making a banana celery coconut smoothie. This green smoothie recipe is light and filling and only has 4 simple ingredients. Remember, you can add greens to any of the smoothie recipes that I'm sharing with you today, or you can add in something like Sun Warrior's Ormus Super Greens, which is a live superfood, has tons of good minerals for you and healthy probiotics. When ready, go ahead and add into your blender approximately 5 to 7 ripe peeled bananas, or however many bananas you'd like, 1 to 2 cups of freshly cut celery, 1 to 2 cups of fresh coconut water, and 1 scoop of Sun Warrior's Ormus Super Greens. Their Super Greens has alfalfa, barley grass, moringa, iron, healthy probiotics, and other minerals that are amazing for your body. I know this combination seems unlikely and strange, but trust me when I say that the sweetness from the banana balances nicely with the sodium from the celery. Not to mention you're adding in extra hydration with the coconut water and extra life force with the Ormus Super Greens. This go-to green smoothie is a winner for any occasion. I know that many people are off-put by the color of green smoothies, but I think that this one looks beautiful and refreshing. I hope you love this recipe and that you're able to enjoy it all of the time. Enjoy, my friends. Thank you all so much for joining me today. If you have liked this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button because there is only more deliciousness to come. If you're interested in getting a Vitamix blender, please check out my links and special deals below. If you use my link, you'll get free shipping on any order of $50 or more. If you're looking for more smoothie recipes, you can also download my FullyRaw recipe app. It's available on iTunes and Google Play, and there are more than 450 raw vegan recipes in my app for you. Please give it a download and thank you. I hope you love these recipes. I hope you make them every day and that you love them. I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Sending you my hugs and my love.